you're planning on going to Nigeria, or you would like to interact well with your Yoruba friends, colleagues, or you are really interested in learning this Yoruba language, this video here is definitely a must for you to watch. Hi everyone, you're welcome. This is Learn Yoruba with Olabisi, a channel where you get to learn everything about Yoruba, its culture, its traditions, its language, its food, and every other things, while also having fun. Yeah. And so in this video, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Yoruba language in a very simple way without stressing you in just 3 minutes. But then before we dive into the learning, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if at the end it's worth watching, kindly share to your friends or family. Thank you. So in this video, we are going to be learning how to introduce ourselves on 5 basic things. So the first is greeting, then the second is your name, then the third your occupation, where you reside, and then your age. So now let's dive into the learning. In Yoruba language, in Yoruba entirely, greeting is a very important thing because it's a form of respect. So, and we have different greetings for different time of the day. You can check my videos for that, my other videos for that. So now I'm going to be using good morning in this video. So good morning, ẹ káàárọ̀. And if you're talking to your friend or colleague or in a casual way, then you say káàárọ̀, káàárọ̀, ẹ káàárọ̀. My name is Olabisi. Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. So you just add your name at the back of orúkọ mi ni. Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. And so now your occupation. If you're a student, let's say I'm a student. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mí. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mí. So let's say then you're already working, you're working class. Then you say, for instance, I'm going to use engineer. I'm an engineer. Engineer ni mí. Engineer ni mí. So let's say you're a doctor. Doctor ni mí. Dókítà is Yoruba translation for doctor. So dókítà ni mí. So whatever you are, just say it first, and you put ni mí at the back. Whatever your job is, rather, whatever your occupation is, you put it in the front, then at the back you say ni mí. Do you get? So now the next thing is where you live. So I live at Kwara State. Mo ń gbé ní Kwara. Mo ń gbé ní ìpínlẹ̀ Kwara. So let's say you are living at LA. Mo ń gbé ní LA. Mo ń gbé ní LA. So you just say mo ń gbé ní and add wherever you are living at the back. Did you get? So now the last one is my age. Let's say you are 30 years old. You say I'm 30 years old. Ọmọ ọgbọ̀n ọdún ni mí. There's a video as well that I talk about the numbers, so you can as well check. So just a recap before I call it a truce in this video. Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. My name is Olabisi. I'm an engineer. Engineer ni mí. Mo ń gbé ní LA. I live in LA. I'm 30 years old. Ọmọ ọgbọ̀n ọdún ni mí. And don't forget the greetings while starting in the beginning. So this will be all for this video, and if you like it, if you've learned something, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and comment what you would like me to teach you next. Comment what you like to see next. Thank you. Bye.